Welcome to Zoho Sales IQ. It is a live chat and website visitor tracking tool by Zoho. In simple words, it helps businesses chat live with website visitors, see who is visiting their website in real time, understand visitor behavior like where they are from, what pages they visit, and how long they stay, automatically send messages to visitors based on their activity, and qualify leads using chatbots and visitor scoring. It's mainly used to improve customer support, increase sales, and engage with potential customers more effectively. Now let us have a quick view into the features available in Zoho Sales IQ. The first one we have is Live View. It shows who is currently visiting your website. You can see their location, pages they are viewing, and how long they have been on your site. Then you have My Chats. It displays all the chats you are currently handling or have handled. It helps you manage conversations with visitors easily. Then next up you have Visitors. It lists all the people who have visited your site. It gives details like their country, time spent, and visit history. Then you have Chats. It keeps a record of all chat conversations, past and ongoing. You can review them anytime to follow up or understand customer issues better. You have Calls. It lets you make audio calls with visitors directly through chat if needed. It is useful for quicker and more personal support. The next one is Feedback. It lets visitors rate the chat and give feedback after a conversation. It helps you understand how well you are doing and improve support quality. Then Canned Replies are pre-written answers to common questions. It saves time and helps you respond faster during chats. The next one you have FAQs, that are frequently asked questions, and you also have articles here. Now let us see the pricing plans available in the Zoho Sales IQ. The first one we have is a free plan. It is best for small startups or personal websites. It allows up to 3 users, tracks 10,000 website visits per month, lets you handle 100 chat sessions per month. It is good for trying out basic live chat features. It also includes features like canned replies, basic visitor information, file sharing, voice notes, mobile app support, and daily reports. The next one we have is a basic plan. It is best for small businesses or growing teams. It includes 1 user, tracks up to 50,000 visitors per month, allows 1,000 chat sessions monthly, comes with 1 chatbot, adds more tools like email signature chat, visitor scoring, FAQs, articles, chat routing, group chat, business hours, and branding. Also supports integration with Zoho and other third-party applications. The next one is a professional and the most popular plan. It is best for medium-sized businesses or companies with active sales or support teams. It includes 1 user and tracks up to 1 lakh visitors per month. It offers unlimited chat sessions, supports 5 chatbots and 50,000 chatbot conversations. It adds advanced features like real-time reporting, conversation monitoring, custom widgets, IP blocking, and scheduled weekly or monthly reports. It also includes access to a TV dashboard for a live monitoring. The next plan is an enterprise plan. It is best for large businesses or enterprises with high traffic and complex needs. It includes 1 user, tracks up to 2 lakh visitors per month. You get unlimited chat sessions. It supports 10 chatbots and 1 lakh chatbot conversations. It also adds AI powered tools like Zia, AnswerBot, smart suggestions, translation, and hybrid chatbots. Also includes features like webhooks, tags, and phone system integration. For any Zoho requirements, contact us at www.fgrade.com/zoho.